Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Console BAKKESMOD. First, you'll need to download and install BAKKESMOD itself, which is a free third-party tool for Rocket League. Once BAKKESMOD is running, Alpha Console can be easily enabled through its in-game menu. This powerful plugin lets you customize your car's appearance with items you don't own, practice specific shots, and much more, enhancing your gameplay experience significantly. Let's get started with the installation process. To begin, navigate to the official BAKKESMOD website and download the latest installer. It's crucial to ensure Rocket League is completely closed before you start the installation process. Once downloaded, simply run the executable file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions. The installer will guide you through selecting the correct game directory. After a quick installation, BAKKESMOD will be ready to launch alongside Rocket League, setting the stage for Alpha Console. With BAKKESMOD successfully installed, launch Rocket League. You'll know BAKKESMOD is active if you see a small message in the top left corner of your screen. Once in the game, press the F2 key to open the BAKKESMOD in-game menu. From there, navigate to the Plugins tab. You should see Alpha Console listed. Simply click the checkbox or button next to it to enable the plugin. It's that easy to activate this powerful tool. Now that Alpha Console is enabled, you can explore its many features. Press F5 in-game to open the Alpha Console menu. Here, you can customize your car's appearance with virtually any item, including Alpha Boost and Titanium White Octane, without actually owning them. You can also access advanced training features, like custom shot setups and specific map loads, to hone your skills. Enjoy experimenting with all the possibilities this fantastic plugin offers to enhance your Rocket League experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.